There's blood on Pakistan's hands and its own people are showing the proof. But the Pakistan government is still reluctant to give in India the autopsy report that exposes their savagery towards Indian prisoners lodged in their jails. Meanwhile, there have been protests over the brutal killing of Charmail Singh in Jammu and Kashmir. The opposition protested both inside and outside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, demanding a resolution against Pakistan.
सरकार का क्या रुख है जो आज अलाउ भी नहीं हुआ? वो कह रहे थे कि इस पे डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, तो सरकार का क्या है? क्या आप
कहाँ डिस्कस नहीं होना चाहिए?
वो रेजोल्यूशन की बात कर रहे थे।
चमेल सिंह का इशू जो है मुझे लगता है कि पिछले 10 दिन से जो है हाउस में वो जो है इशू बार बार उठ रहा है। अब जहाँ तक आज जो हमारे पैंथर्स पार्टी के कुछ मेंबरान थे, उन्होंने ये कहा था कि ये एक रेजोल्यूशन यहाँ से पास होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो मीडिया में कुछ खबरें आ रही हैं कि वहाँ जो उसका जो डेथ जो उसकी हुई है वो एक्सटॉर्शन से हुई है। तो हमने जो है अभी इनिशियली जो हम रिपोर्ट आई है, पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आई है, उसमें कुछ इंजरीज हैं, माइनर इंजरीज हैं। तो उसके लिए जो है कमेटी हमने तश्कील दी है, वो सॉर्ट आउट कर ली है। अगर कोई ग्रेव इंजरी होगी, कोई फ्रैक्चर होगा, तो इस सिलसिले में ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब जो है हमारी जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स है, उनसे ये मसला जो है टेकअप करेंगे। और आज आपने देखा कि स्पीकर साहब ने भी बड़ा ज़बरदस्त इसमें कंडम किया है और अपनी रिजर्वमेंट शो की है कि अगर इस किस्म की हरकत जो है उस पर उन्होंने की है तो ये काबिल मज़म्मत है।
We agitated this issue in the assembly and wanted the House to pass a resolution condemning Pakistan for such kind of brutal, inhuman and barbaric acts.
क्या आपको लगता है डिप्लोमेटिक टाइज इनके साथ स्नैप करने चाहिए जिस तरह से इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं?
Time has come when we should seriously consider this, because this is not the first time that Pakistan has resorted to such a desperate, such a low act, such a barbaric act.
इंसानियत की जगह पाकिस्तान की जेलों में नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके साथ जो भी सलूक किया गया है वो जेल के अंदर किया गया है। मतलब जेल के अधिकारी जानते हैं, जेलर जानते हैं क्यों हुआ ऐसा। भारत सरकार इसमें क्या इस विषय को उठा रही है, किस प्रकार से उठा रही है, ये हम जरूर जानना चाहेंगे। विशेष रूप से पाकिस्तान, चाहे वो भारत के हमारे सेना के जवान हो, उनकी गर्दन काटी जाती है, उनकी जेलों में कैद कोई हिंदुस्तानी हो, उसकी किडनी निकाली जाती है। ये क्या हो गया है पाकिस्तान को? भारत सरकार को पाकिस्तान के साथ रिश्तों में इन बातों का गंभीरता से ध्यान रखने की आवश्यकता है कि ये सब बर्दाश्त नहीं होना चाहिए।
मैं समझता हूँ कि ये ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन है और इसकी मैं कहता हूँ इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जो है इसको कंडम किया जाना चाहिए। और मैं समझता हूँ कि जो भी एजेंसीज इस तरह की ह्यूमन राइट वायलेशन के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, उनके खिलाफ इंटरनेशनल कानून के तहत कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
When the body was repatriated, this very same day they went to a hospital in their town, Jammu, to get a report undertaken. I have not yet seen sight of the report, either the post-mortem or the subsequent report done by the family or arranged by the family. Obviously, it's down to them whether they wish to release it. I would advise them to disclose it. They need to know, the world needs to know the treatment of prisoners in that by Pakistan. The family should invite the government of India to take up the issue. I mean, if the post-mortem report discloses that he died as a result of his injuries, then that is murder. And as far as I'm aware, the prison wardens who were the alleged perpetrators, they haven't been suspended, they haven't been charged or arrested or questioned about the murder.
And Jammu Bureau Chief Pradeep Datta is joining us on this top story. Pradeep, massive protest over the Charmail Singh's murder. It seems a lot is yet to be done in connection with the Indian prisoner's brutal murder.
More need to be done in this regard. Only just getting in touch with the Pakistani counterpart is not going to serve the purpose, because this is not the first inhuman incident that has taken place from the Pakistani side. In the past, we have seen that beheaded our soldier, they had mutilated the body of one of our captain during the Kargil, and now this has been the case of Chamil Singh. And today there was an uproar inside the house. That was one of the reasons that the Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party legislator, they wanted a resolution against Pakistan. They wanted that state government to take up the matter with the centre, and centre to pursue this matter very strongly with the Pakistani counterpart, so that the guilty jail officials are punished. And they also wanted that the autopsy report by Pakistan to be made public, the pressure to be put on them. And there was another protest by the BJP that was again outside the assembly. These legislators are saying why the state government was not saying anything in this regard, why the state government was mum. But their resolution was rejected on the ground by the speaker. Speaker said that already the state government was in touch with the centre, they were pursuing the matter, and they were ensuring the house that something will happen in this regard. But the family members seem to be quite upset, because they know that this was not only case of the brutal torture. First, this man was tortured just because he had been washing clothes. For 2 months, the body was not handed over to the family members. And then there is a diplomatic obligation. When the body is handed over to the family members, they have to hand over the autopsy report or the post-mortem report to the family. But in this case, we have seen that the post-mortem report was not given. Had the Pakistani journalists not come out with the story, it would have been simply hushed up. It shows the intentions of the Pakistan authorities. Pakistan authorities are not really clear about the things. They are continuing with these brutal acts. So that's why the family members also want that this matter need to be pursued strongly by Government of India, so that these brutalities are not committed in near future, because this is not the case of only one Chamil Singh. There are many more prisoners languishing in Pakistan jail.